Good evening, colleagues. So let's talk a bit about some other functions and buttons to click on. So when you are in chat, here you have your recent chats. You can click on see all and then the whole list will appear there, or you can again click on minimize and then it is minimized. If you want to rename a chat, you click on the pen, rename the chat and save. You can delete a chat or you can share the chat. So there you have the option of email, Twitter, Pinterest or Facebook, and it would then do that, or you can copy the link. And then paste the link like in the previous video where we then shared how to share chats. Okay, so those are your options then in chat. Then when you come to bot, you can also here click show more, then you see more of your chats. If you want to you can pin a chat, you can delete it or you can rename it. So if you rename it, you can rename it, add an emoji, rename, and this may help you to then quickly see the chat that you are looking for. So that is in bot. And then in ChatGPT itself, if there's your chats listed and you can just scroll down to them, or if you want to rename, you would click on rename and click enter and then it's renamed. So usually chat and bot give the chats their a name. If you don't like the name, you can now rename it as quickly as that. And let's see if bot gives us the option of, no, it doesn't give us an option of sharing. So there you are. Okay, so what other buttons did you find that I didn't show you yet, which you would like to share with some people? What would you like to share with us? What is working for you? What cute buttons did you find? Please share. So colleagues, enjoy exploring and a good day to you.